Hey people, Waguthi here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you're an oldie here, thanks so much for the support. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you can be informed of future videos that I make of beautiful things such as this kiondo. So, in this video, we're going to learn how to make a kiondo. The last part, the trimming part. So I was making a kiondo for my fan. So for my fan pot, you can see the pot there, and I have come to the final part of making this kiondo. See how beautiful it turned out. If you want to make such a beautiful creation, please check out my other videos on how to make a kiondo and subscribe. So now that I'm done with my kiondo, okay, nimeshona hadi hapa juu. I'm going to show you how to finish it up, how to wind up and take care of these projections. Yes, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks for being here. Bye bye. See you where as I make the next part. I hope you enjoy and learn. Please share and comment down below. I'll really appreciate. Thank you. Bye.
So this is how I know that I've come to the end of my other round. The previous round I tied a knot here, so let me open it because I'll need all the length I can get. We're at the trimming stage of making this kiondo. So what you do, you twist, but now instead of grabbing the whole of the strand, you just grab a piece, okay, like that. So you twist and grab, but not all of it. You grab like that, so you will only weave in this bit, as in like that. So that, okay, let me twist like that, so that other strands are left on this side. So I already twisted, so I grab the next strand, but not all of it. I fold it over like that. I twist, grab the next one, but not all of it. I fold it over like that, so that I have loops all around. So for this round, I'll be doing that all through until the end. So for this spaces you can see here, you just put it, take it down like that, so that it looks neat. Yes. So I keep doing that. You twist, you grab the next strand, but not all of it. You make a loop like that. Then you pull tight, twist, grab the next one and make a loop like that, and pull tight, tug tight, so that you have neat work. When it's loose, it's not neat. So we keep doing that until this round is over, and then after this round I'll show you what to do. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll really appreciate. Hit the notification button so that you're informed of when I have posted a new video. Yes. So when I started sharing videos of my kiondo making, some people were asking me where I learned. So my shosho used to make kiondos a lot, and then I'd see her after. Now she has trimmed, she has finished up to the last part, the last stage. She'd take it to the cobbler so that it has a leather binding all around, and maybe some what do we call them, pads here and here, and also, okay, or just one here and then one on the other side for the strand, the rope that people put on their heads, and especially women, Kikuyu women, Meru women, Kamba women mostly. Some brides are even given kiondos by their mothers or their maternal or paternal homes. I'm really not sure, during their weddings. So Some I learned from my shosho, so I guess that's where I developed the passion. Some I learned on YouTube. Some I consulted some other old women because sadly my shosho passed away. Rest her soul in peace. Yes, so it's been a learning process for me, but I'll keep you updated with the new skills that I acquire. Yes, new tweaks, new materials for making kiondos so that they look maybe more authentic. Yes, this loop is not looping, so we adjust. Yes, so we do this for this next round, and then I'll see you after this round. Okay. So we continue making loops until all the strands are loops and not full strands. So I just have a couple more to go. So you twist and grab one, but you don't pull the whole of it through. You make a loop like that. So you twist, grab the next one, make a loop, don't grab the whole way through, twist, grab, yes, make a loop like that, twist, grab the next one and also make a loop. So we have come to the end of this round. As you can see, all of them are loopy, and these are a loop extra. Now that everything is looped up, you're going to twist and then take this one into the next loop like that, so that it has passed in between. We twist and take the other one through the loop like that. So at this stage you need very small yarn balls, if possible just a single line, but now, as I have seen, I have faced the problem. If it's just a single line, there's a lot of tangling and it's just ugly and time wasting, so just a small ball will do. So you twist here and then take this strand, this thread, into the next loop like that, through to the other side, tighten, twist, and there's a lot of twisting, so what I'm doing is just I'm twisting so that they don't tangle too much and knot up. Yes, so I twist and then I grab this one and I put it into my next loop. This is my next loop, so I put it in. So you realize that some of the loops look bigger. It's because of the extra strands that I added. You can see that on the kiondo there are some parts that I added so that it could move outwards, seeing as my plant pot is quite wide at the top than at the bottom. So that is why some loops look bigger than others. Others are very small. Yes, these were the original strands that I started with at the bottom. So by the time we're at the top, they have really been used up, so they are short. So we continue. We've inserted through this loop, so you twist. We have twisted here, and then we insert this one. See, okay, this is our loop. Focus. Now, in case your lips undo, like mine have undone, just find a way to fix it back in. Yes, so we proceed. You twist and take this through the loop, like that. So we do this for all the loops. Let's do 1 or 2 more. So make sure it's tight. For these parts that still have gaps, you can just push them down. You can use anything, scissors and just anything, a toothpick, a pen, and push them down so that it's tight and neat. So continue, you twist, and then you take this one through the loop here. So this through the loop like that. Tighten, and you take the next one through the next loop like that. Tighten, take these through the next loop. So you continue doing that, and you notice that it's like they're being grounded here. So if we, okay, now how do I show you this? Okay, let's complete and then I'll show you. So you do this for this round, throughout the round until you come to the point where you began, and then I'll show you what to do after that. So once you've gone your first round in loops, this is for helping me fix such bits out of the loop. So if I need it in the loop, I'm going to use this. If you don't have a crochet hook like this, you can use a toothpick, a stick, anything, a pen, anything to bring it. I fixed this that came out of the loop. So once you're done with that round, there are 2 options. You can decide that you have finished your kiondo there and start pulling these loops inside here. So when you pull it, that here. So this is where my round ended at. So if you pull it, you lock it. So you can decide to pull through all of them. I don't want to pull because I need to go another round, and then you cut the edges here. Or you could go another round the way we said. So you twist and take this through the loop, or yes, you can choose to pull the ends and then trim. So I'll show you what to do after that. So once we are done with the round, we're going to pull all of these strands down, all of them up to the last one. It won't unravel, don't worry, just pull from the very first one to the last one. Now if you like, you can leave it like this, or if you like, you can bind it all round using leather. What I used to see my grandmother doing, once she had finished everything, she would take the kiondo to a cobbler who would bind it for her using leather, and also put leather straps, okay, one long strap, so that she can carry the kiondo on the head. Yes, so if you need it to have a fine finish or a fine touch, you can have a cobbler bind it for you using leather. Better yet, you can do it yourself if you are able to. Yeah, just find a place to buy leather or suede, and then is it suede? I guess it's called suede, and then you can do your finishing touch. You can even use ankara, anything you want to give it a fine finish. Yes, so I'm yet to decide what I'll do with mine once I've finished binding like this. I'll see. Let us see the outcome, and then I'll see what I'll do. Since I have a hot glue gun, I don't know, maybe I can attach a cloth, a black cloth or Ankara cloth all around so that it looks better without all this. So once we pull, we're going to cut. We're going to cut these edges. For example, I can cut here or here. So yeah, once you're done pulling all of them, all the strands, to make it nice and tight. So let's do that, and then we will cut afterwards. So I'm done pulling, so I'm going to snip this off and then make a knot. Two knots so that it's very secure. Yes, and then I'll weave it in. So now, I'm going to snip off the ends. At the very end, don't worry, it won't unravel, it will be just fine. So once you do that, you have your kiondo. I have done all the cutting and I have my kiondo here. Yes, it actually looks like a kiondo, right? Yes, so it's quite rough here around the edges, so you can trim if you want. Okay, not trim really, but how do we call it? You can bind. Yes, you can bind using leather or a piece of cloth. Maybe black would go well, or yellow, any color you want actually. Yes, so you can see it doesn't look so bad once you've trimmed, as one would have thought, seeing as it really had these things. So I'm going to put my not saiso, I keep calling it saiso, but it's fan. I'm going to put my fan here. So there's the basket. Yes, there's my fan. It got ruined. I know it was much leafier when I was beginning, but well, life happened. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed and you learned. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and then let me know if you would like to know how to make patterns, such patterns. Yes, and any other recommendation or request you might have, I'm open. Feel free to comment. Bye.